Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this scarf. It's the same pattern as this beanie we made before, only a few things will change. This we continued all around, but this one we have to make it a row, so it's a little bit different, but it's almost like the one we did here, only some differences. For the scarf I'm going to use the same yarn, the other skein of wool that I got from Knit Crate. For the beanie you will find a link at the end of this video, and you will find a link on how to get this type of wool from Knit Crate. You will have a link there. It's you order in subscription, you get 2 skeins of wool and 2 patterns, 1 knitting and 1 crochet. At the end of this video you will have a link and all the information you need to know if you want to subscribe for this wool from Knit Crate. We start by making chains, multiples of 8. I have to make multiples of 8 chains. Now you make chains depending how large you want to make it. Multiples of 8 plus 1. So we start multiples of 8 plus 1, and then here I have 40 plus 1, 41. And then we make another 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. We make another 3 stitches. We go to the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, the 4th one. And we make 2 trebles in the same place. 1 and 2. These chains will serve as a treble. 2 chains, 1, 2, and another 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. Now we skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we make a puff stitch. We turn the thread on the hook. We go then and we pull a stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Again we skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we make like we did before. 3 trebles, 1 in the same place, 2 and 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, and another 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3, like that. Again we skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we make another puff stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Again we skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we make another 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3, 2 chains, and another 3 treble, and we continue all the row like that. That is the first row. We continue all the row like that. The row is ready, as you can see. We finished with 3 trebles, 2 chains, and 3 trebles like we started. We turn the work around. Now here we're on the wrong side. Here is the front, here is the wrong side. We go here. We have to arrive there. We go here. We make a slip stitch, and we go here. We make a slip stitch. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. 2 trebles. 1 and 2. 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. Now we arrive here. Now since here is the front and here is the back, we have to put this over there like this. We put it like that, and we make a puff stitch. Put it like from here to here. 1, 2, and 3. So it comes, as you can see, from the front. We go here again, 3 trebles, 1, 2, and 3, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 trebles here, 1, 2, and 3. Again we arrived here, so we put it here like this, and we make another puff stitch, 1, 2, and 3, like that. Now we arrived here, another 3 trebles, and we continue all the row like that. This is how it comes from the front. The row is ready. Here is the front, as you can see. Now we're going to do the same. We're going to make a slip stitch until we arrive here, the middle of these 3 chains, 2 trebles, 2 chains, and another 3 trebles, 1, 2, and 3. Now since we're here at the front, we have to make it from here, not put it in the back, in the front this time. And we're going to make a puff stitch, 1, 2, and 3, like that. Again here, 3 trebles, 1, 2, and 3, 2 chains, and another 3 trebles, 1, 2, and 3. We arrive here again with puff stitch. We do it like this, and we make a puff stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Again 3 trebles, and we continue all the row like that. And these are the two rows we have to repeat for this scarf. All the time we repeat the 2 rows like that. You continue like that, this row like that, and the pattern you continue it like that. And this is the final result, what we have. If you continue those rows that I showed you, this is the final result. You can make it long as much as you like, and this beanie goes along with this. The scarf goes with this beanie. You can wear them separately, and you can wear them together. They have the same pattern. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.